2020 has been a challenging year for all of us, no doubt. But we cannot let that stop us from living our best in 2021. So, hello everyone, this is Nabila, and today I am back with a powerful topic: how to build an iconic and powerful New Year resolution. So, here I am sharing you the most important resolution ideas which must grab in the coming year 2021. So start focusing on your new year resolution list. Here we go with the ideas. Resolution number 1 is take a baby step. Instead of losing 30 pounds by year's end, commit to being more active today than you were yesterday. Depending on your life challenges, instead of doing or achieving your target within a month, make sure you try to do it or divide it for a month so that you can move ahead positively. Your goal should be to build up a new habit little by little until it becomes your nature. Resolution number 2: be consistent. How many times have you started some new goal for your life, like fitness goal, financial achievement goal, educational goal, or any target achievement goal? I must say that many of us are failed to achieve because of no consistency towards our target. Starting and stopping constantly will be a lot more difficult. So start giving your consistency towards your goal slowly and gradually so that you reach the goal very easily. Now moving towards resolution number 3, pick one creative hobby. Be sure in this 2021 at least pick one creative hobby which allows you to shift from unusual things which causing and giving you a stressful life. It helps your mind and brings some beautiful creation into your life. And the hobby can be anything like writing a diary, gardening, or even singing, which really brings out your creativity which you have inside and gives you a chance to work on it, and no doubt which makes you different from others. Resolution number 4: wake up early. Waking up early in the morning is most important. Early to bed and early to rise make a healthy, wealthy, and wise person. That is true. There are number of advantages of waking up early in the morning. Either you are a student, you are a housewife, college going, working people, or belong to any age group. The person who wakes up early in the morning make his or her life more productive and successful. So don't forget to add this resolution in your 2021 list. Resolution number 5: work out at least 30 minutes a day. Now, out of your 24 hours, keep just 30 minutes by taking a little steps every day to make yourself healthy. It's not like that for this routine you have to join gym, but instead of that go for a walk, run for a minute, or it may be done inside the room by dancing. Resolution number 6: drink lots of water. Now we all know the advantages of drinking water, but even though we take it for granted, and because of that we suffered a lot with our health issues. So drink a lot of water which immensely helps you from inside and outside of your body. Resolution number 7: stop making excuses. We fail in our life because of this habit. Every time we have excuses for not completing the task. So now in 2021, before you make your new excuse, ask yourself this: what can I do to improve myself and take responsibility of your actions? Resolution number 8 is be kind. This resolution is such a wonderful one which brings lot of smile on others' face because it brings no doubt lot of happiness in your and others' life. Resolution number 9. Give yourself me time. Everyone gets stressed once in a while or a way, and we always indulge with many problems of our life. We spend our valuable time for our friends, family. So in this 2021, at least for one day, just just sit with your hobbies, enjoy your day with your best buddies, or by reading a book, watching your favorite movie, or anything you want for yourself. Now, the last resolution, resolution number 10: don't take loved ones for granted. We are so busy every day, go to work, come home, but we daily ignore our own family members. And even if we forget how just a phone call once a week could bring a smile to our parents, siblings, or friends. They love us unconditionally, no doubt, and want to hear from us. So put a smile on a loved one's face by just calling them once in a week. So that's all, my friends. By making a small change in your life at first, it may turn into something grand. And by the end of the year, you feel very accomplished for what you achieved by giving your efforts towards your goals. So start packing your bag for this new year. It's never too late. Thank you everyone for watching my videos and wishing all very happy new year. Thank you, friends. Bye.